Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix unable to load image Instagram problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to update Instagram. For this we go to the Play Store. We write Instagram in the search. If it says update instead of open in this section, it means Instagram is not up to date. We update Instagram by clicking Update. Instagram has been updated. Our second solution consists of a couple of steps. First, we will delete the Instagram app data. Then we will give all app permissions to Instagram. To do this, we go into the settings. We find Apps. Click on Manage Apps. Among our applications, we find Instagram. Click on Storage. Click on Clear Data, and then we click on Clear All Data and OK. Data deleted. Then we go into Data Usage. In this section, we make sure that all three options are turned on. After opening, click on App Permissions at the bottom. We activate all app permissions. These are the permissions that Instagram should use when sharing posts. After doing these, we can check if the error is fixed or not. This was our second solution. Our third solution is to delete and reinstall Instagram. Before doing this, we need to delete the data of Instagram. In this way, the settings will be reset. As in the second solution, we go into the settings and clear the data. Then we click on Uninstall and click on OK. Instagram deleted. Now all we have to do is reinstall Instagram. Click on Install and wait for the installation to finish. Instagram installed. Now I will log into my account. We go to the post sharing part. As you can see, I can choose the post I want. I am not getting any errors. This was our third solution. If this solution didn't work, we'll move on to the fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to use an old version of Instagram. If the error we received is due to the current version of Instagram, using an older version will solve the error. First, we delete the installed Instagram. Then we go to the link that I put in the description of the video. Here are old versions of Instagram. We choose a not-so-old version. We click on Download. Click on Download anyway. File uploaded. We click Open. Here we will click on Install. If you are having problems with the installation, you can find the video related to the problem in the card section at the top right. Click on Install, waiting for the installation to finish. Instagram installed. This was our fourth solution. Our fifth solution is to clone the Instagram app. You can clone with dual apps feature on Xiaomi phones. If your phone does not have such a feature, you can do it by using the application from the Play Store. We go into the settings. We find Apps. Click on Dual Apps. There are applications where we can apply the dual apps feature. Click on Instagram. We activate the dual apps option. As you can see, Instagram has been cloned. If this feature is not available on your phone, we go to the Play Store. We write Clone App in the search. There are multiple options available here. You can download any of them you want. I'm downloading Parallel Space. The application has been downloaded. We enter the application. Click on Agree and Continue. And we give permissions. We click Start. In this section, you have to choose the application you want to clone. We choose Instagram. Click on Add to Parallel Space. Click on Accept. As you can see, Instagram has been added. If your phone is 64-bit, we also need to download this little app. After adding the application, we give the permissions here. Instagram clone app is ready. We enter the application through parallel space. This was our 5th solution. If this solution didn't work either, we'll move on to the 6th and final solution. Our 6th solution is alternative solution. Using Instagram Lite while sharing posts. For this we go to the Play Store. We write Instagram Lite in the search section. We install the first application that comes out. The application has been installed. I'm logging into my account. After entering the application, we click on the plus sign and select the post we want. As you can see, we do not receive any errors while sharing the post. And that was our 6th and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.